Hey there, welcome back to Get the Marvel. I'm GTM, and today we're diving into the exciting world of arithmetic operators in Java. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up on your basics, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Alright, let's start with the basics. Arithmetic operators are the backbone of any programming language, and Java is no exception. These operators help us perform basic mathematical operations. Think of them as your digital calculator. Here are the main arithmetic operators in Java: addition plus, subtraction minus, multiplication, division slash, modulus %. Let's break it down with some everyday examples. Imagine you have a box of donuts. Who doesn't love donuts, right? You have 10 donuts and you eat 3. To find out how many donuts you have left, you use subtraction. Simple, right? Now, what if you and 4 friends decide to share the remaining donuts equally? You'd use division to figure out how many donuts each person gets. But wait, what if there are leftover donuts? That's where the modulus operator comes in. It gives us the remainder of a division. Now, let's quickly go over multiplication. If each donut has 150 calories and you eat 3, how many calories have you consumed? Just multiply. And finally, addition. If you buy 5 more donuts, how many do you have now? See, arithmetic operators in Java are easy. That's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get the Marvel for more awesome coding tutorials. Until next time, keep coding.